In this video, I'm gonna share with you how we were able to generate $600,000 for one of my clients during November. I'm gonna go through absolutely everything. How much we spent on Facebook ads and how much we've generated, what was the strategy there, what was the offer, what was the sale length, how many emails did we send, and what were the results from email marketing. So without further ado, let's hop right into the video. So the first thing we'll go through is the offer. What we did with this client is we started a pre-Black Friday sale, which we started on the 13th of November, and it was all the way up to 19th of November, which is Monday to Sunday. We did 20% off on all orders, and from the 20th until the 30th of November, we did Black Friday Cyber Monday sale, which was 30% off all products. When it comes to the Facebook ads, we spent a total of $22,363, and we generated $315,265, which comes to 14.10 ROAS. Both for pre-Black Friday and the Black Friday sale, we had 4 campaigns. The first campaign was prospecting. The second one was a Advantage Plus campaign, which we set the budget to spend 80% of the budget towards prospecting and 20% of the budget towards retargeting. We also had middle of funnel and bottom of funnel ads. From the 20th until the 30th of November, we were spending about $1,200 a day. And this is how we were spending the budget. $660 went into our prospecting campaign. I used 4 of the best performing audiences over the year. For Advantage Plus, we were spending $240 a day. And again, 80% of the budget goes towards prospecting and 20% goes towards retargeting. For middle of funnel, we were spending $270 per day, and we had 3 audiences there. The first audience was retargeting people who have engaged with the business in the past 60 days. The second audience was people who have engaged with the business from 60 to 365 days. And the third audience was existing customers. And the last campaign was bottom of funnel, basically retargeting people who have added to cart but did not purchase. And there we were spending $100 a day. The creatives that we used for the ads were mostly single images, and we had a couple of videos that were promoting the Black Friday sale. We used text overlay on all of the images, and we were mentioning the sale. Black Friday sale, 30% off. For pre-Black Friday was something very similar. The campaigns were scheduled exactly the same. We just had a lower budget. And during the pre-Black Friday sale from the 13th until the 19th of November, we were spending about $600 to $700 per day. When it comes to email marketing for the month of November, we did generate $201,379. We managed to send about 21 emails for the whole month. And here is what we did. So for email marketing, we did quite a lot of changes. For us to leverage the traffic that we're gonna get in November and get more email subscribers, we had to change the pop-up. So the pop-up usually offers 10% off their first order. And as you can imagine, during November, when we have 20-30% off, people don't have an incentive to join the email list. So what we did is from the 13th until the 30th of November, anyone who signed up for email marketing, they got a chance to win a $200 gift card. And on the 1st of December, we selected 10 people that won a $200 gift card. This allowed us to still collect emails during Black Friday, and we even got 5,000 emails during November. We also edited the welcome series and the abandoned cart flow to match the Black Friday sale. Because again, with the welcome series, we were offering the 10% off. But then when we changed to the gift cards, we had to change the welcome series to just tell them that they have a chance to win a gift card and that they can shop now because we have 30% off. For the abandoned cart, we were also mentioning the sale because again, in the abandoned cart, we were offering 15% off if people abandon cart and then they receive the emails, they can get 15% off if they go back and buy. But during Black Friday, when we have 30%, we were just mentioning to people that this is a one-time a year sale and they need to take advantage of it now. With the campaigns, we were sending about 4 to 7 emails every single week from the 13th until the 30th. And to not bombard people with too frequent emails, what we were doing is, for example, on Monday, we were sending an email announcing the Black Friday sale, which is on the 20th. On the 21st, we're gonna send the same email, but to people who did not open the email from yesterday. And this allowed us to get more sales from those people because they didn't open the first email, but they opened the second one and then they buy. This allowed us to get consistent sales every single day throughout the sale. Also, in the last 2 days of the Black Friday sale, we started a countdown. So every 12 hours, people were receiving an email. So 48 hours left until the sale ends. 36, 24, 12 hours left, and then the sale ended. We wanted to increase the average order value for this year. So what we did, we added on the announcement bar of the website that every order from the 20th until the 30th that exceeds $200 after the discounts, people will receive a gift. This boosted the average order value from $100 to $150 in November and helped us generate a lot more revenue. But yeah, that was about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some insights and maybe got something that you can implement in your business or in your clients' businesses. And yeah, if you found value, like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out get these videos out there. And if you own an e-commerce brand and you want us to help you scale it, there's gonna be a link for you in the description below where you can book a call with me and we can chat about it. So yeah, thank you very much for your time and I will see you in the next one. Bye.